Okay, here's my question for you. What was your New Year's resolution last year? Do you remember? Did you crush it? Chances are, if you're like 80% of people out there, you didn't follow through on your New Year's resolution. And I get it. Last year, when I went to write my New Year's resolutions, I recognized that they were the exact same resolutions as I had written down the year prior. And I was a complete failure. So I began to get really curious about why, when we know that these resolutions are going to be good for us, maybe we want to lose weight, maybe we want to eat better, maybe we want to create a new habit or ditch an old one, how can we know this is going to be good for us, yet we still fail? So I began to dig into the neuroscience around why we fail, and conversely, the neuroscience around how we can create a brain state for success. And I created what I needed most. Now, trust me, I tried everything. I have ordered I've spent hundreds of dollars on planners that I thought were going to help me create this brain state for success. But none of them had quite what I was looking for. So, like all of my work, I combined my research on neuroscience, on mindfulness, and on behavior change, and I created what I needed most. The Master Your Life One Season at a Time Planner. This planner is designed specifically to keep you in a brain state for success, to enjoy your life more, and to achieve, not just achieve, to crush your goals. Click the button below to purchase yours today.